In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use our inspiration guides. When you land on our website, this first area where it says "Let's plan a trip" is where you'd usually start to plan a new road trip. However, sometimes we all need a bit of inspiration. If you scroll down, you'll see exactly that. A selection of road trips that the New Roads team have created from their favorite experiences. These will be added to all the time. Select one you like the look of. Let's choose the Maranello to the legendary Mugello Circuit in Italy. Click the image. This then takes you to a page that tells you all about the trip. Everything from a summary of the pit stops, the drive highlight, car culture stops that are not to be missed, and what type of car it was planned for. Keep scrolling down and you'll see the itinerary of the trip, the route overview showing a map of the journey, and then a stage-by-stage description of the drive with the drive highlights, activities not to be missed, and any hotels or lunch stop recommendations. Next up, we have quotes from Evo magazine, who are one of our partners. You'll find quotes from your favorite journalists about sections of the drives on your road trip, and you can read more by clicking the button. Further on down, you have featured hotels that you can explore if you want to stay in the area the night before or at the end of your trip. Now, this is the super cool part. Scroll back up and click the Personalize this trip button. The trip will now load into your account, and you can view the full details as you would on a trip you planned yourself. From here, you can personalize this in any way you want to. Let me show you. This trip was planned based on driving a Ferrari 488. Well, it's Italy, so why not? Let's say I'm going to do this trip but hire a Fiat 500. Simply come over to the chat and tell it. Don't forget to tell the chat to leave the rest of the trip unchanged and then hit return. The AI will now update the trip itinerary and check road suitability based on the Fiat 500 and recreate the road trip based on your changes. You can then continue to explore the trip and export the route on arrival by clicking the Google Maps tab and clicking the Google Maps link. You can come back and edit the trip as much as you like, till it suits you perfectly. Enjoy the road and see you out there.